HTML tag. To write the HTML tag, as you can see, I have opened Notepad, and then in Notepad I have written the code HTML. I will write the code HTML. I will write script language. Which language I want to use? I want to use equals to double quotes VB script. I want to use VB script. Okay, after that I will double click over here, close it, then downside this, and then hyphen I will use. Then I will use function. I will use function can deliver. Function can deliver. Function can deliver under bracket dt, then can deliver equals to c date under bracket dt, then bracket closing, then hyphen. Now we will see what will be the output. Now you can see it is a method. ये जो साइन होता है ये मेथड का साइन होता है, ग्रेटर देन 2, then and function and then hyphen closing, and then we will write script and then closing. We will save this file. We will save this file with vbscript function.html, vb.f vb function.html. We will use same folder is open. We will save it. Now this is our HTML code. This is the folder where we have saved. VBScript function is coming. Now our code, we will see what output we will get after using this function called deliver. हमने function called deliver यूज किया है, तो देखते हैं क्या आउटपुट आता है. As we can see, I think there is some problem. We are getting this. You can see a file का नाम vbfunction.html हो गया, but we are not getting the output. So you try this one. I hope you will understand. Thank you very much.